Easy Grow All-in-One Best Seed Starting Kit. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello, welcome to the channel. So if you're thinking of starting your seeds and you need an easy to do all-in-one set it and forget it seed starting kit, this is it. This is an all-in-one seed starting kit. It has everything, and all you need to do is put your seed starting mix, put your seeds in, and you're good to go. So this is the Easy Grow greenhouse. It comes with two grow lights right here, these two grow lights, and you have humidity controls right here, and this dome right here, you can take it out if you don't need it. You can take the dome out like that, and you can see the two lights in there. So it's all in one. And with this one right here, it's really durable plastic, and you lift it up like this. You can fill in water, lift it up like that to fill in water if you need to fill in water, so it sucks the water from the bottom, and it's nice and easy to move around and very stable. Even the plastic right here is really solid plastic. It's really solid plastic, which is great. So what you can do that compared to this one. Let me just, it's the same thing compared to this. Here I have peppers, I'm growing peppers on this side over here, and over here I have tomatoes on this other one right here. So it's a really good greenhouse for starting your seeds, especially if you're gonna start a few seeds indoors very early. It comes with everything. It's all in one. It has everything for you to start your seeds, and once the seeds are really grown, you can output them to different containers. So let me just show you a sample of another. This one is what we used to, and what we've been using is really soft plastic, compared to, you can see it's already broken. It breaks easily, and so this one is good, but this one is better. So you can use this one. The only disadvantage for this is that it doesn't have a lot of cells, which means you just have to increase the number of the unit that you buy, but it gives you enough cells to start small quantities compared to the other one. Another alternative to the limitation of the number of cells is you can put a lot of seeds in each of the cells, but just output them a lot sooner because they're gonna be a lot of seeds in there. So that's up to you. If you would like to get this item, check my shop below or click the link below to grab yours today. I'm gonna upload these peppers over here into these bigger containers. Let me know in the comments below if you've grown in something like this, or if you intend to get something like this. If you like the video, please smash the like button. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about the grow tray. Share the video, and don't forget to subscribe and follow for more videos like this. Thank you. Happy growing, everybody.